Wait, humans paying money for special air now. Back in cave days, caves smell like mammoth, smoke, and fear. Nobody complained. Modern human? Tiny French fry smelling car, and suddenly entire day ruined. Then I see this. This Drift Air Freshener not look like normal dangling gas station tree. No. This thing made of actual wood. Wait, what? Human turned air freshener into luxury furniture now. And somehow, it smell really good. This little would block clip on a car visor and make entire car smell like rich guy cabin in Mountain Forest. Teak scent too. Not radioactive watermelon explosion. Not mystery tropical chemicals. Just clean fancy smell. Primitive nose, deeply confused, but impressed. And apparently this thing used special scent system that lasts way longer than those sad paper trees that die after 2 traffic lights. Human technology evolving rapidly. Best part? It actually looked nice. Most air fresheners make car look like teenager gym locker. This thing looked minimal and expensive like human who drinks sparkling water on purpose. Caveman respect classy smell rock. Now listen to it. If your car already spotless and smell like angel tears, maybe you not need this. But if your car smell like drive-through fries, wet dog, expired coffee, or ancient sadness trapped in seat cushions, this thing might save your social life. Also great if tried to Uber, road trips, or spend half-life trapped in traffic. Final caveman verdict? Tiny, simple, smell amazing, actually stylish. Human may be weak, but at least cars smell incredible now. Link below if tribe want luxury would smell magic too. Caveman leave shiny Amazon link in description. Subscribe for more Amazon finds for primitive minds.